What's up, everyone? It's your man Busy Braun, and I am here with another episode of Daybreak. You guys have seemed to enjoy this and Raising Dion, and those are two Netflix shows that I've been watching. And I'm excited to get this in. I wanted to make sure I got this in because I didn't know if I'd be able to watch it on Sunday. I will try to get it on Sunday because I usually get one on Sunday, but I'm not sure because school, I just got dropped a lot of work on, so I'm going to be really busy this weekend, so I'm just going to end up sticking with my normal stuff, such as The Walking Dead and like the stuff I get on Sunday. Sunday is going to be a busy day for me. I either have the homework and then I usually react to like four things. But I'm excited for this. This is the slime Queenpin of Glendale, California. What makes Angelica tick, tick, tick? The misunderstood child sociopath with the heart of gold breaks it down while searching for antibiotics for Josh. Oh, I totally forgot. This idiot tried chopping off his arm because, man, I guess thought this shit was The Walking Dead, and I don't know, that part was really funny. So I'm just excited to see like more of that, because this dude, I don't know if his arm's hanging by a thread, what the case is. He cut off his finger, I'm pretty sure, but this dude is nuts. Like, this dude really tried to cut off his limb because he thought he was about to die. But yeah, I'm excited to get this in. I'm going to be dropping, hopefully, my Mandalorian and my Titans video. I'm going to be streaming as well, so make sure you go check out my gaming channel. It's in my About page. I'm going to try to remember to put it in the description, but I usually forget. But yeah, so I'm going to be streaming Star Wars The Fallen Order, the new game that just dropped like an hour ago. But I'm just waiting so I can get this done as well. But I'm super excited, so I guess let's just jump into this. Without further ado, let's get busy. Oh my god, she is not gonna eat it. No. She took the finger.
Never mind, you're too nuts to remember anyway.
Your finger looks like Tom Sizemore's dick.
Yeah, I lost some blood.
My guy passed out. Oh my god. Oh, here we go.
It's just Josh's story. The cis white male guiding you through the end of the world.
Uh-oh.
I say, let's fuck some shit up!
Oh yeah?
This is a Mandelbrot sets while I was still pooping myself in
Okay. She's a smart girl.
The cocaine cowgirl of the Medellin cartel. Because a gangsta
This girl's crazy.
is surrounded by a mob, a true family. He has no idea I'm manipulating his Yale-educated ass. I lie about my anxiety. One tear.
Yo!
That's 1 month of Adderall.
Your light work, bro.
Beanie Zucchini is Xanax. Life's Lemons is Lexapro. I posted a DIY video to YouTube and I was officially open for business.
That's crazy, bro. Yo. Except for
selling of slime and slash or slime-related products has been banned on campus, young scholar.
Advising in his slime. He's gonna chart his BVDs all day.
the girl's a clown.
This is why I want to be a gangsta. To be part of a family by choice.
Oh.
A tribe who accepts me for who I am. A tribe that is there for you.
Mavis and I are saving ourselves until marriage.
This
Until
dude
then,
is
we're
a
taking
freak.
practice
I told Wesley, duh, never mind, you're too nuts to remember anyway. Then a bird stole my bakery. The most important one of them.
Oh my god, this girl needs a booster seat.
When we had
Story.
She knows it all, bro. I love it.
Amazons.
the CVS on San Fernando.
The disciples of Kardashian will flay our skin to make throw pillows. Those are some crazy bitches.
Damn, girl! You get around! Why don't you just stay put?
I could tell Wesley the truth, how they rejected me, how it hurt.
Oh.
But that would require what my dead psychiatrist, Dr. What can a 40-year-old dude know about girls? Called radical self-acceptance. Maybe it would make
Yo,
me
look at
feel
the
better
road.
to open up.
Alright, I got me nervous.
Sharing is caring, but I don't give a rat's dick. What about you? Aren't
This dude is obsessed. Jeez, what happened to him? Oh, shoot. Oh man, it is that kid. Oh no. Oh man. Oh, I need to learn more about him, bro.
No penny left behind, slowing.
Dude, the freaking bandwagons, bro. Oh my god.
I don't get that. You know, because his dick can't get hard? Whoa, that's sexual harassment, bro. We don't do that anymore.
Oh my god.
Edible slime.
Some girl used to do that at our school.
Yeah.
Sounds like she was a boss.
God, she was sociopathetic.
Oh. Oh shit.
Teddy bear. His name was Mr. Bearman. He said he loved me. Said we were besties. But then I wondered, what does this bear say when I'm not around? Did he talk shit? Did he rat me out to my parents?
Yeah.
Snitches get stitches.
Oh. Look at all those bugs. Ugh. Larva.
You're a genius. Thank you.
You saw those maggots, bro? Oh my. Oh. Ugh.
Alanya, Maritza,
Oh my
Marco,
god, bro.
Megan, Molly, Millie, Mookie,
Yeah, I hope she don't eat those, bro. That's nasty. She about to eat. Okay. Oh god. Oh no. This is nasty. Archer outside. What happened to her? Oh no, they're about to break. Yo, man.
If I'm going down, I'm going down in a blaze.
Oh yeah.
Did someone just save us?
I don't know, man, but I'd bounce if I were you. Oh no.
Roy.
Woo. Who are they?
Those Huns.
Oh, the cheerleaders.
Maybe I test people. But it's not my fault they fail.
Yo!
Friend, Josh. Tennis Josh?
No.
Little Josh with a big truck.
Gay
No,
Josh
gay
and Josh?
Or other gay Josh.
Just Josh. This is everything I want.
Oh.
A family.
That Indiana Jones.
Oh my god, just answer it.
Leader. She's so proud.
Oh. That's not gonna happen. What the hell's going on? I don't trust this. Oh.
She sucks.
Oh, now, Josh, words matter. We can't be complicit in the blame. Excuse me.
Who's about to crap?
But there are better ways to make friends than being Pablo Escobar.
Griselda Blanco.
God, you really are terrible.
That doesn't make me have a personality disorder. It makes me a 10-year-old girl. Everyone wants to be someone who's liked.
Oh, she's putting her hair. Oh
I
man.
test.
How many gangs booted you? All of them? You're not a
Come
team.
on.
Trying to be.
Wow, she actually put it back? Wait, what's going on? Antibiotic slime, eat up buttercup. Oh yeah. Oh my
then I
god.
decided.
That's nasty. Look at the. Oh.
I'll let Josh cut off his finger because he sucks dick, Barry.
What's going on? Show me.
It's not her. They're just trying to keep him there. Come on, they're really gonna do that? They're really gonna do that. Wow. Oh my god.
Okay, don't get weepy.
Wow, she's really doing him dirty. Oh my god. One,
Lie your
two.
ass
Oh man.
I am a terrible little shit. I know. But if I didn't do this, Josh would leave and get killed.
Ah, it's the finger. Oh no. It's this dude again. Oh, come on, man. That's disgusting. Alright. Alright guys, so that was the episode, and I enjoyed it. It was kind of crazy. She's really gonna do him dirty like that and say that they found Sam's body, and we all know when he finds out, because obviously he's gonna find out that that's not true, he's gonna be pissed. Like, you think that he hates her now? There's gonna be some severe hate out there. I would really love to see him make his own tribe, because I mean he does got that leadership trait about him, but I mean it's like with the crap that they're doing, I mean it's just gonna make it harder and harder, and it's just postponing that to happen. I mean, and of course, I mean I feel more for her now, because I mean we get to learn a little more. She just wants to fit in. She just wants a family that isn't forced to have her, you know, because she's never really had a friend. Her family, of course, like is there for her, but that's mainly because I mean they're family. But she's never had someone to actually look out for her without a problem, and somehow she believes in the relationship she has with Josh for that to actually happen. She didn't even end up going with like the Amazons or whatever they're called, Shamazon. I don't know what they're called, but I mean that was crazy, and just learning about her past a little bit, just kind of it was kind of cool to feel it, you know. I'm excited for the next couple of episodes. This was exciting. I'm waiting for Sam to come. Like, I mean, especially seeing how Angelica looked at Sam. Like, she ended up making her hair the same way. I was like, oh man, that's crazy. But I'm hoping we see more of like relationship wise, like because it was like, I don't know. I'm just all these different things. I'm trying to figure out more of what Wesley did, and then Eli's just a weird kid, so I don't know what we're gonna do with him. But I don't know. This whole show is just different, and it's mainly why I love it, and I'm really enjoying it. I hope you guys are enjoying it as well. Again, I'm gonna be streaming on my gaming channel. Make sure you check that out. And again, that's pretty much it, guys. I appreciate you guys coming by and watching my videos. And again, the next couple Saturday, I don't know if I'll be posting besides my Walking Dead video, because I really got a lot of homework. Like, it's insane how much I have, and because I've been slacking, and I need to make sure I get that done, or I'm gonna have to drop that class. So just wanted to let you guys know in case I don't post too much, but I will try my best. Other than that, it's your man Busy Brown. I appreciate you guys coming by, and I guess make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to support this passion of mine. And other than that, man, peace.